Voice Coach AI is the latest game changer in voice training. And in this review, I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this newly released software. Whether you're an aspiring public speaker, podcaster, or just someone who wants to improve their voice for any reason, Voice Coach AI could be the perfect tool. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how it works and if it's the right fit for you. Plus, I'll share how you can try it completely free from the first link below. Voice Coach AI uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to provide real-time feedback on your voice. This isn't your typical voice training software. It's designed to analyze pitch, tone, speed, and clarity to give you precise, actionable insights. The software's AI evaluates your speech and gives personalized recommendations, helping you refine your delivery in ways that would be impossible with traditional voice coaches. One of the standout features is its voice analysis tool, which tracks your vocal range and offers suggestions to help you sound more confident and engaging. Whether you're preparing for a speech, a recording session, or just practicing your speaking skills, this tool will guide you toward mastering your vocal techniques. It's like having a professional voice coach at your fingertips 24/7. Another powerful aspect is the real-time feedback. As you speak, Voice Coach AI immediately points out areas for improvement. This makes it much easier to adjust your tone, speed, or clarity while you're in the middle of your practice session. It's a dynamic, hands-on approach that traditional methods can't match. Voice Coach AI also includes a feature where you can compare your voice to ideal voice models. You can listen to examples of what a perfectly balanced voice should sound like and adjust your speech accordingly. This is especially helpful for users who are looking to refine their voice for professional use, like podcasts or presentations. The software is incredibly user-friendly, with a simple interface that lets you get started right away. You don't need any prior experience with voice training to see results. Voice Coach AI walks you through every step, making the learning process straightforward no matter your skill level. Another huge benefit is the comprehensive progress tracker. As you continue using the software, it records your improvements over time. This feature is essential for anyone serious about voice training, as it helps you see how far you've come and where you still need work. Tracking your growth keeps you motivated and ensures that you're constantly improving. And yes, if you're concerned about pricing, there's great news. Voice Coach AI offers a completely free trial. You can test it out and see if it meets your needs before committing to anything. This is especially useful if you're unsure whether the software will be a good fit for your voice training goals. To sum it all up, Voice Coach AI is an innovative and powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their voice. With its real-time feedback, voice analysis, and user-friendly design, it stands out as one of the best newly released AI software options for voice training. If you're interested in giving it a try, be sure to use the link in the description below to access your free trial. And if you're like me, after trying out thousands of AI tools, you want the best of the best. In the description, I've also included links to other top AI software options that I recommend, all free to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.